Okay, folks, they hung the drywall, all of it, in one day. Not even a full day, because they're gone. Everybody's gone already. So here is the family room. It's not going to look like a whole lot because it's nothing but drywall. And where Caleb's at is the dining room. There's a little niche that goes in the wall in the front door. There's, through that opening is the kitchen. Here comes Kennedy coming out of our bedroom. This is our bedroom. Walk this way to where the bed will be. A window, double door, and then here's a little, there's going to be mirrors right here, a little seat to get ready, tub, there's the bathroom then. This will be a sink, that'll be a sink.
See how I open that up?
That'll be a shower. Our closet. Too dark to go in there. Keep turning around and a potty goes in there. And that's a closet. Okay, back out the doors. To the left is the living room, where TV is watched. Kids are already having a blast. Whoops. Okay. And somebody's going to fall and break their head. There's the kitchen. Through there's the garage. Hey babe, she's going to slip with these shoes on and crack her head open. Hey Kennedy. There it is. Oh, maybe not. Uh-oh. You okay? Bathroom? You can't really tell what's going on. There's a bedroom. And then they got bedrooms all down this hall. Kennedy and Reagan's bedroom. Keegan's bedroom. Another bathroom. Here's the stairs. Up, up, up. The mom's room. The window's taken out right now. Pile of drywall because the dumpster was way over there, too full. A little timing glitch on my part there. AC closet on the left, and a bathroom on the right. And there comes the master of the house with his beautiful daughter. And the naked daughter. Alright, we saw it all. So, that's it.